Hello, kindergarten. We are going to read one of my favorite Thanksgiving stories. This is called Turkey Trouble. And Turkey is a little worried. Why do you think Turkey might be worried about Thanksgiving coming? What do we eat on Thanksgiving? We eat turkey. So he's trying to figure out some ways to not get eaten. Let's see what he comes up with to try to not be the Thanksgiving turkey. Oh, see, he's worrying about it. Turkey was in trouble. Bad trouble. The kind of trouble where it's almost Thanksgiving and you're the main course. But Turkey had an idea. What if he didn't look like a turkey? What if he looked like a horse? Surely Farmer Jake would need a horse for Thanksgiving. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a horse. Almost. "Moo," said Cow. "Stop horsing around, Turkey." "How did you know it was me?" moaned Turkey. "Too short," said Cow. "Gobble, gobble," grumbled Turkey. But looking at Cow gave Turkey a new idea. Surely Farmer Jake would need a cow for Thanksgiving. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a cow. Almost. "Oink, oink, oink," snorted Pig. "Holy cow, is that you, Turkey?" "How did you know it was me?" groaned Turkey. "Too skinny," said Pig. "Gobble, gobble," said Turkey. But looking at Pig gave Turkey a new idea. Surely Farmer Jake would need a pig for Thanksgiving. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a pig. Almost. "Bah," said Sheep. "Quit being a ham, Turkey." "How did you know it was me?" wailed Turkey. "Too clean," said Sheep. "Gobble, gobble," grumbled Turkey. But looking at Sheep gave Turkey a new idea. Surely Farmer Jake would need a sheep for Thanksgiving. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a sheep. Almost. "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" crowed Rooster. "Bad idea, Turkey." "How did you know it was me?" howled Turkey. "Too brown," squawked Rooster. "Gobble, gobble," said Turkey. But looking at Rooster gave Turkey a new idea. In fact, it was his best idea yet. He already looked a lot like Rooster. This costume would be easy. Surely Farmer Jake would need a rooster for Thanksgiving. Or would he? Rooster might be his next choice, Turkey worried, since roosters and turkeys look so much alike. Oh, gobble, gobble. Farmer Jake came into the barn. "Turkey, turkey, turkey, come out, wherever you are." "Where's the turkey?" asked Farmer Jake's wife. "I don't know," he said. "I looked everywhere." "Oh dear, what will we do without a turkey for Thanksgiving?" "Well, we could always eat the rooster, I guess." "Oh no, not Rooster," thought Turkey. He looked around desperately for one more idea, and then he found it. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, it was Turkey's best yet. Ding dong! Happy Thanksgiving! "Did you order a pizza?" asked Farmer Jake's wife. "Nope," he said, "but it's a good idea." So they all sat down and gobbled up the pizza, and it was Turkey's best Thanksgiving ever. He's thinking about starting a pizza farm. All right, so Turkey's final disguise worked, didn't it? You're going to get to come up with your own turkey disguise. You're going to put your name right here at the top, and then it says turkey disguise. I am not a turkey. I am, and you're going to have to write the word. So here's your turkey. Here is your job. You're going to color and decorate and design your turkey so it is disguised, so it does not look like a turkey anymore. Turkey in our story did some different disguises. He dressed up like a horse and a cow and a pig and a sheep and rooster and a pizza man. So he used some different disguises. I want you to think about how can you disguise your turkey? What could your turkey dress up as so he does not get eaten for Thanksgiving dinner? He could dress up like a superhero or a character in one of your favorite books, one of your toys. He could dress up like a fireman or a policeman. So think about what your turkey could look like, and then you're going to have to think about what color is that going to make him. Do you need to draw a mask or other clothes on him? So think about how you can disguise your turkey. And after you decide how he's going to be disguised and get him decorated like that, I want you to write your words. So maybe yours will say, I am Spider-Man. Maybe you have a Spider-Man turkey, or I am a Barbie, or whatever. So you're going to write the word for however you disguise your turkey. And I want you to be sure and send me some pictures of your turkey disguises, okay? I can't wait to see what you come up with.